Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be cleaning out our disaster of a fridge. It is generally pretty organized, but it gets quite messy when we have leftovers, especially takeout. Cleaning the fridge is not really one of my favorite tasks to do, but it's essential, especially when you have small kids and we're constantly purchasing food. And we constantly have takeout and things like that stored in our refrigerator, so it is something that I have to do pretty frequently. Typically when I start to clean out the refrigerator, I don't have the luxury of taking everything out of the refrigerator, because with small people running around you, anything can happen. You may have to stop in the middle, so I like to take it out one row at a time, so that if I do have to stop, it's not a big deal. I can just shove those things back inside or to the side and deal with whatever the issue is, and go back to the fridge. I always start cleaning the top first, because if you start at the bottom, the crumbs from the top will fall on the clean surfaces, and you don't want to re-clean stuff. You don't have time for that if you're a busy mom or just a busy person in general. So I typically make sure I hit the tops first, and I go back and do those drawers last. I hate the condiments on the side of the refrigerator. We have all kind of crap over there. Kids medicine, condiments, and marinades and things like that. I don't really like the way that any of those things look. It's just not aesthetically pleasing to me, but they're necessary, and my kids love a good condiment. I have to wipe down the fridge, the outside of it, daily, but the inside of the fridge I typically wipe out at least once a week. I might not get in here and on my hands and knees and do a deep clean, but I do come in here frequently and wipe down the shelves and things like that, because my kids are messy and they do go in there sometimes with permission, of course. But since I'm in there so frequently, I do make sure that those items that are in there are within the range of date that I'm comfortable with. This is one of my favorite things to do, cutting up my fruit or washing fruit and salad, getting everything prepped for the week. One thing that I have added on to this week is cutting up my lemons. I do make sweet tea frequently, and everybody in my house loves a good lemon with their sweet tea or with their drink. So I have started to cut up the lemons in advance for them, so they enjoy that. Alright guys, so I have gotten everything washed, cleaned, and put back in the refrigerator the way that I want it. If you guys made it to the end of this video, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and follow. I will be here every week. I'm looking forward to building a community with you guys. Thank you. Places